Hi, this is another unboxing video and I've got Degustabox. So this arrived this morning and it arrives by courier and they send you a text message. So it gives you a window of an hour. So if you're not going to be in, you can get in touch with them and you can rearrange another delivery, which I really like. So Degustabox, if you don't know what it is a food monthly subscription box. It costs £12.99 and all the contents come to within the £20 to £30 range. You get 10 to 15 items. They are a good mix. You do get a lot of up and coming items. You do get some gluten-free, some dairy-free, some vegan products, but they're not solely dietary specific, unfortunately. So good for a family that has different tastes, but if you're looking for a specific, say, gluten-free box, then unfortunately this isn't for you. But maybe things change in the future, so I don't know. So it's worth maybe signing up online for their emails, just check them out, have a look and see what is happening there. But yeah, so it's £12.99. You can cancel any time and I have a discount code off your first box, which I'll link down below. So click on the show more, that'll bring a description, it'll all be down there, as well as your, I think it's £5 off your first box. You do get a free gift as well, so a free food gift, that is. So let's see what's inside the box. It's quite heavy. The last couple of boxes haven't been as heavy, but this one is quite heavy and it's got super large bubble wrap, so it's well packaged in here. I'll just give you a first look of what's inside. So you get some leaflets, some money off coupons in there, and you also get a leaflet telling you everything about this box. It tells you exactly what's in it. So what I like about it is that it gives you a value as well. So I like to tot it all up at the end to see what the actual full value of the box would cost if you were to buy things individually. We got about 12 to 13 items this month, so, and it looks quite nice actually. I haven't looked properly, but yeah, we'll have a delve in and see what we got. So the first item, and it's Illy coffee, instant coffee with microground Arabica coffee beans and a smooth taste. I'm sure I've tried this before. I'm not too sure. It looks familiar, but I do like a coffee. I prefer tea, but now and again I do like a coffee, and my husband absolutely adores these. So the information says that this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price for this is £5.85. So it's newly available as an instant coffee. Velvety coffee, characteristic by sweet floral and fruity notes with caramel, toast and chocolate. Naturally fragrant with aromas of almond and honey. It's the perfect coffee for any moment of the day. No, I really like that, and quite a nice size as well. The next item, I can see we've got two of them. Now these are Leo Bites, or Leo Bites, I'm just thinking Leo Bites, and this one is mango, banana, passion fruit smoothie bites, and 100% natural fruit crisps. So one of your 5 a day, no added sugar, vegan and cruelty free. And this one is exactly the same, but mango and coconut. Oh, the mango and coconut one sounds absolutely gorgeous. Woo! So that's what they look like there. So how much are these? So these will cost you £1.99 each, and the information says that it's a perfect snack for the whole family, ideal for lunch boxes and one of your 5 a day. Picked in season, blended and freeze dried to create this crunchy and delicious snack. So I look forward to trying them. Next item, we got some sweets. Now we normally get something sweetie in there, and yeah, my kids have to fight over them. Normally it's my eldest son. He's behind me in his bedroom there, and he normally says now, you know, have you got anything nice in your Degustabox? So he normally nabs these, but I think we've had these before. Not sure, maybe not, because it says new. I'm not too sure, but it's round trees, 30% less sugar, and they're randoms. Now these are lovely. I love fruity sweets, absolutely love them, and I like the fact that it's 30% less sugar. £1.29 for this pouch. The sweets you know and love, but now with 30% less sugar. Roundtree sweets contain no artificial colours, flavours, preservatives or sweeteners. Next item, a large box of something, Dorset cereals, spectacular grains, raspberry and apple. Oh wow, with toasted spelt and popped buckwheat. Oh nice, there's that there. It's a really large box, beautiful design. It's like wood, it just looks like wood, and you can just see what it looks like in there. Oh, it's nice. It's a 500 gram box, and the recommended retail price for this is £3.49. Made with toasted spelt flakes and popped grains for a crispier crunch than our classic mueslis, and blended with delicious fruits, they're a remarkable fusion of flavours and textures. Now I can't wait to try that. I love things like this. Next item. We got something like a milk, is it? What is this? So, oh, Good Hemp from Braham and Murray, and it's unsweetened, simply delicious, source of omega-3, dairy-free, no added sugar. Never tried this before. I'm really looking forward to trying this because come September I'm going back to my autoimmune protocol diet. It's where I eliminate a ton of foods. And yeah, I do it about twice a year just to make me feel a bit better. So I am dairy free, so no, I'll keep that then. So I'll try that and see what that's like. So the information says that this would cost £1.60. Try it with your cereals, hot drinks and smoothies made from organic hemp seeds. Good Hemp is 100% natural, vegan friendly, free from GMOs, dairy and lactose, gluten, soya and nuts. So no, I'm really excited to try that. I hope it's nice, I hope it's nice. Next we've got, is it Noodles? Maggie Fusion Sticky Hoisin Duck. Oh, contains noodles plus veggies, spices and sunflower. So it's one of these instant noodle packets. This is cost £1.39 and it says sweet soy, oriental spice and roasted duck flavours combined with sunflower oil and veggies to create a flavourful noodle dish with a difference. Oh, I know my eldest son is going to love that. 100%, 100%. So the next item is a tin of John West Infusion Salad Tuna Fillet with a chilli and garlic extra virgin olive oil dressing. Now, I don't know why I'm laughing. Probably this is something new, I don't know, but I love the fact that Degustabox can be quite random at times. But, you know, this might be something new. And yeah, we've had like salad cream and things like that, which I love, and I just think it's really funny. But it's nice. If you haven't tried salad cream or anything like that, then yeah, it's good. But yeah, I don't know if this is a new item or not, but the John West tuna has been around for donkey's years and I do like it. I do like making my own salads and stuff, so chilli and garlic, sounds nice. So the information says that there's going to be 3 in the boxes, so there's 3 different flavours. So I've got obviously the chilli and garlic, and it will cost you £2.29. Delicately cut from the highest quality part of the fish and marinated to keep them tender, infused with an oil that is a perfect salad dressing and available in 3 flavours. There's chilli and garlic, basil and lemon and thyme. So no, I can't wait to try that. I'll have that one. Next item is 2 of them, and they're cereal bars. Boca Choco Mallow cereal bar and apple cinnamon cereal bar. Oh, nice. That's what that looks like there. Oh, lovely. Not too keen on chocolatey type stuff. Love actual chocolate, but chocolate bars and things like cereal bars I don't like, but definitely that looks yummy. So what's it say here? So these will cost you 75p each. They are low in fat, saturated fat, sugars and salt, under 100 calories each, while tasting delicious. Great as a healthy snack in a school lunchbox or sports bag. Treat yourself or your children to a Bocalicious snack. So no, quite nice. Next item, we got 2 cans. Original Guna, which is a sparkling blend of natural ginger and aromatic flavours, and this is muscovite. Oh wow, a sparkling blend of natural lemon and mint flavours, which is my favourite. So it's a Guna. I've never ever tried these. We haven't had these before in any Degustaboxes, but they are soft drinks and natural sounding. What do they say? Less sugar, more character. So that's what they look like. So the information says that these are Guna craft soft drinks and they're £1.09 each. It's a new range of lower sugar craft soft drink. Great tasting, characterful soft drinks with less sugar, 100% natural flavours and no artificial colours or preservatives. Oh no, I can't wait to try lemon and mint. Absolutely adore, love it. So the last item is an alcoholic drink, and it's a can of Crooked Beverage Co. alcoholic soda, midnight stage, blood orange and passion fruit, and it's 4.7% alcohol. Oh my word, I love the design, it's so cool. Blood orange, wow. Oh, I hope it tastes nice. We've had a few alcoholic ones and I haven't really liked them before. I've been excited to try them, really excited, and I've gone to taste them and they've been disgusting. For me, we're all different, I know, but yeah, I really hope I like this. Blood orange and passion fruit. As you can tell, I love fruity taste. So the information in the booklet says that this is the actual product of the month and it would cost you £2. Crooked Beverage Co. alcoholic soda is light, refreshing and totally delicious. Often fruity alcohol can be heavy, syrupy and synthetic, yet Crooked delivers tasty, moorish, fruity flavour while only containing less than 5 grams sugar and just 46 calories per 100 mils. Made with natural ingredients, no nasties, you can't go wrong. Ooh. I hope it's nice. So I'm just going to top everything up and I'll come back to you. So altogether the box comes to around £23, thereabouts anyway. So well over the £12.99 that it retails for. I think we've got some really nice items to try. I can't wait to try the drinks, the cereal, that hemp milk as well, and the coffee, which is all really lovely. And yeah, the sugar and the cereal bars and things. Yeah, no, some really nice items, some really nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely, give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.